Hey there, goal setters! Ever feel like your wildest dreams are just out of reach? Well, today I'm here to tell you that achieving your most ambitious goals is totally possible. You just need the right strategies. So buckle up and let's dive in. First off, you need a crystal clear vision. What exactly do you want to achieve? Imagine it in vivid detail, write it down. A clear vision gives you direction and purpose. It's like setting your GPS. Without it, you're just driving aimlessly. Next, break your big goal into smaller, manageable steps. Think of it like climbing a mountain. Each step gets you closer to the peak. These smaller goals are easier to tackle and will keep you motivated along the way. Now, let's talk about commitment. You need to commit to your goals wholeheartedly. No half-hearted efforts here. Make a plan and stick to it. Consistency is key, even when the going gets tough. One of the most powerful tools you have is visualization. Picture yourself achieving your goal. Feel the emotions, the excitement, the pride. This mental rehearsal can boost your confidence and keep you focused. Another critical element is accountability. Share your goals with someone you trust. This could be a friend, a mentor, or even an online community. Having someone to check in with can keep you on track and provide valuable support. Don't forget to celebrate your progress. Every small victory is a step closer to your ultimate goal. Reward yourself for your hard work. This positive reinforcement will keep you motivated and energized. Lastly, stay adaptable. Sometimes things won't go as planned. That's okay. Adjust your strategy and keep moving forward. Flexibility is crucial for overcoming obstacles and staying on course. So let's recap. 1. Have a clear vision. 1. Break it down into smaller steps. 3. Commit fully. 4. Visualize success. 5. Stay accountable. 6. Celebrate progress. 7. Be adaptable. Remember, achieving your wildest dreams is a journey, not a sprint. With the right strategies, unwavering commitment, and a bit of patience, you can make it happen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment, and share it with your friends. Let's inspire each other to reach for the stars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.